Once upon a time, there was a manufacturer named James. Every day, James and his employees would make bicycles. Until one day, an employee clicked a link and installed ransomware on their network. Because of that, James's company's production shut down. Because of that, he had to pay the ransom. Because of that, kids didn't get any bikes for their birthdays. This made James sad. Finally, James was introduced to Stasmayer's managed security department. Stasmayer installed the latest products to protect James and his business. James, his employees, and the kids are happy again. Keep your IT security optimized with help from Stasmayer. We have the experience, tools, and expertise necessary to ensure you don't fall victim to the devastating effects of malware. Reach out to us today at stasmayer.com.